While shopping at my local Asian supermarket, I came across this prepackaged Rockfish Soup mixture. There are a number of different things in here, and what was interesting to me is that it was only $11.99, and I said, well, why not try it? We've got shrimp in there, looks like octopus. The rockfish is down in there, you see that under the peppers. And there may even be some squid in here as the meats go. Then a number of veggies, including, looks like zucchini, jalapeno peppers, enoki mushrooms. There's a couple of mussels in here, the bell pepper. So I'm going to open it up and see what actually is here. A better picture of it without the lid on. There's even a little spice package in there. And there's a couple of plastic bags, I think, with other types of vegetables in it. I'm going to cook this hot pot style. Got my hot pot here. It's electric. And the broth that I'm going to be using, this is a clam broth from Clam Base. And the objective is just to put the vegetables in and the fish and cook. Then I made some rice to go with it on the side. And we'll see what kind of treats in store. Oh, it had green onions in it already.